Today I'm going to take a look at this cheap $20 access point I got from Micro Center. TP-Link is only 150 MPS, but it should do the work I need to do. My built-in CenturyLink router with wireless is, the wireless part has gone kaput. And it doesn't have an antenna, so this one has an antenna. And it is dedicated, has an access point. I didn't want anything that's like 4-to-1 device, too hard to control. So look at in the back, you have the power switch on and off, power supply, Ethernet, WPS, reset, and the antenna. It should be easy to set up. Okay, let's open it up. Instruction book, warranty information. Okay, nothing else in the box, is empty. Okay, router, no access point itself. Come with the Ethernet cable, power adapter, and another switch of some sort. It says DC, PoE, and LAN. PoE obviously means power over Ethernet. Before I get started, the reason why it has the PoE adapter is if the outlet is too far away, according to the instruction book, you can take the power supply to the adapter and then just run a long Cat5 cable to the access point. Could be a nifty little feature, but as you can see, I don't need it. I have a power strip right there. And in preparation of setting up, I already ran an Ethernet cable to this side of the house. So all I have to do now should be just plug in the AC adapter to that power strip right there and then start the setup. Once I plug in the power supply, as you can see, the power light is blinking here. This is the setup light. That means there's an Ethernet link, and this means there is a wireless signal going out from this box. Next, let's try to see if I can connect. As you can see from the instruction book, you connect it wirelessly, and you should type in 192.168.0.254. And since my desktop is being used at the moment, I'm going to use my Surface Pro. Same thing. Okay, hold on, let me type in my code. Once you type in the IP address, both the username and the password is admin. Okay, let's see if it loads. Okay, it did. Next, at the setup screen, it's going to ask you what mode do you want to be. Access point, multi-SSID, repeater, bridge with AP, or client. I'm going to hit access point. And here you can set up the wireless setting. Let me just set this up and then re-record. Okay, it says network setting. You want to disable the DHCP server since you're getting it from the router itself. Everything else looks okay. Change login account. Let's say no for now. I change it later. Okay, and reboot. Click OK. And access point is rebooting. Totally took about 30 seconds to set up. And once I reboot it, as you can see, all the lights are now blinking, and I turn off actually the old router and looked at my wireless connection here, and you can see that's the wireless SSID I chosen. Okay, no internet, secure, obviously, since the router itself has been disconnected. And here, what I'm going to do is just disable the wireless on the old router. Hit apply. And let's see if my wireless device can go online. Right now it still say no internet, but secured. Let's just disconnect this. And reconnect. and connected and secure, and should be online. Let's take a look. And okay, looks good. Took totally about 5 minutes, 20 bucks, not bad. And finally, under the device tables right here, you can see that this is the Surface and it's in the same network IP range. That means it did not the access point did not create its own subnetwork. So everything like from file sharing should still work. Again, 20 bucks from Micro Center. For this TP-Link access point, the model is TL-WA701ND. $20 plus tax. Not bad at all.